Today we're making a classic low-carb paleo beef stroganoff recipe made with ground beef and mushrooms in a really creamy sauce. It's an easy and delicious 30-minute meal. Hi there, I'm Cassidy and this is my husband Caleb.
Hi.
And on this channel we share healthy but delicious keto and paleo recipes that are gluten-free, grain-free, and mostly dairy-free. So if these are your type of recipes, hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. So to get started, all we're going to do is we're going to brown some beef in a large skillet over medium-high, and then you can drain it if you want. It's up to you. And then we're going to add some butter. You can use non-dairy butter or ghee, mushrooms, and chopped onions until it's all nice and tender. So after looking at my notes, usually I drain the beef and then leave it set aside while I make the sauce, but I forgot to do that this time. I just cooked it all together, so we're going to go with it. I think it'll be fine. So we're just you want to add some garlic, and I just like to put it in here by itself in the hot skillet just to get it kind of fragrant before we add the rest of the ingredients, just for 15 to 30 seconds so you can smell it. Oh yeah. It's starting to smell good.
It is.
Okay, so now we're going to put some beef broth in.
All of it?
Yeah, all of the beef broth. Yum. And to thicken it, we're going to use that mixture over there. It's a tablespoon of tapioca flour mixed with some water. And you just, kind of mix it up. It's been sitting there for a second. Yeah. And so we're just going to pour it in. And after about a minute or two, the sauce will thicken. Oh, so this is looking really nice and thick. And tapioca flour isn't always considered low carb and keto, but since we're only using 1 tablespoon, it really only adds minimal carbs, and it just is the perfect thickener for this. Okay, so now we turned the heat off, and to make it nice and creamy, we're going to add coconut cream. And to get coconut cream, you just place a can of full fat canned coconut milk in the fridge overnight and then scoop out the cream. If you're not dairy free, you can use heavy whipping cream and garlic powder. Give it some nice flavor.
You ready for that?
Yeah, I'm ready for the garlic powder. And mustard. We just have plain prepared yellow mustard. And this adds so much flavor. It's so good. It kind of seems odd, but it tastes really delicious in here. And then the last thing we're going to add is salt and pepper. And this is just kind of to taste. And I'm doubling the recipe, so it'll probably be about 2 teaspoons.
How much is that?
That's a half teaspoon. So I do about 4 of those. But everyone kind of varies on how much salt they like. So just put a little bit in and taste it. If it tastes flat, that means it needs more. And then pepper. And I don't remember how much pepper. I think about a half a teaspoon. So this will probably need about a whole teaspoon since we're doubling it. Ooh, that's just the sprinkle side. That's going to take forever. Let's do this side. You can pour it into your... Here, pour it into my hand. I usually figure it out. Yeah, that's about half teaspoon.
Nice.
Oh, I said a teaspoon. Let's do a little bit more. Okay. Oh yeah, this is looking so delicious and creamy, and it smells good too. You think it smells good?
It does smell good.
For a minute, I thought you were going to say no.
No, it smells very good.
Okay.
I couldn't see where it was at because of your shirt. I was
Blinded by the brightness.
Where'd you get that anyway?
I don't remember. I've had it a long time, but I don't ever wear it because everyone always makes fun of me that it's so bright and they can't see.
You have to be certified to wear it or something.
I know. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's just get our zucchini noodles out and try this. Oh yeah, I forgot that. That's we had 1 ingredient left. That's apple cider vinegar.
Yes,
and
is.
It just adds kind of like a nice little, it just kind of adds like a nice little tang. And if, oh yeah, okay. So I totally forgot this. So I actually use coconut cream instead of sour cream, not heavy whipping cream. And that's why I added the apple cider vinegar to give it a little bit of a tang like sour cream. I'm sorry. I guess I just kind of completely blanked out on that. Okay, so now I think it's all done and we're going to get the zucchini noodles out and try it.
I'm looking forward to this beef stroganoff.
I am too. Looks really good. Look how creamy it looks.
Smells good.
And it's, I mean, it seems like a lot of ingredients, but it's actually fairly easy to make.
Yeah.
I want to.
I feel like I was instrumental in making this one.
You always like that.
So I shouldn't feel that way.
No, you should. You are.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. Let's try it.
That's good.
That's good. That has a lot of flavor to it.
Yeah, it sure does.
Really
That's what
flavorful.
we're having for dinner tonight.
It is what we're having for dinner tonight.
I love it.
I just made a whole bunch of it. Yeah, I'm excited for everyone to try this. I want to eat this whole bowl.